Hello dear learners, today we are going to talk about the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry from the chapter antileprotic drugs. The first question from antileprotic drugs is the IUPAC name of dapsone is which of these? IUPAC name of dapsone. Dapsone, you all know the structure, it contains dianilino and sulfone group. So it is sulfone, so all are having sulfone. Then next is diphenyl. So two phenyls are there, so these three options are possible. This methyl is impossible. Then diamino, all contains diamino. Now amine is present at both sides phenyl para position. That means 4 and 4. It is 2 and 2. This is not possible. 4 and 2 is also not possible. 4 and 4. This question because of methyl we have already. This option because of methyl we have already rejected. Now remaining is 4 dash. So the correct answer is 4 dash diamino diphenyl sulfone. Next question is name the drug containing dianilino group. Now the characteristic features structural features of dapsone are they contain aniline ring from both the sides of sulfone. So sulfone is at the center and then aniline from right hand side also and left hand side also. These are called as dianiline. So the correct answer is dapsone. Next question is name the drug containing sulfone group. Now SO2 is the sulfone group which is present in all the sulfones. So dapsone is one of the sulfone which is mentioned here. Dapsone is one of the antileprotic which contains sulfone group. Para-aminosalicylic acid, it is the salicylic acid derivative. Clofazimine is phenazine dye. Ethambutol is not an it is used in leprosy, but it is not a actual lepromatous leprosy treatment drug. It is working on the tuberculoid form of leprosy. So the correct answer is dapsone. Next question is leprosy is also known as, options are crystalluria, Hansen's disease, liver cirrhosis, Mendel's disease. The correct answer is it is Hansen's disease, because leprosy is by the name of the scientist Hansen. Hansen discovered leprosy in 1871, so it is also called as Hansen's disease. Next question is which of the following drug belongs to sulfone group? Moxifloxacin, ethambutol, clofazimine, dapsone. The correct answer is dapsone. Next question is functional group present in dapsone is whether it is aniline, sulfone, amine or all of them. The correct answer is all of them. It contains aniline also, sulfone also and amine also. If you will not consider this as aniline, if phenyl and amine is considered, then it contains all of them. Next question is DDS stands for, what is the full form of this abbreviated form? DDS. Whether it is diamino diphenyl sulfone, whether it is diamino divinyl sulfone, whether it is dimethyl diphenyl sulfone, whether it is diphenyl sulfone, this is not possible. Methyl is also not possible. Vinyl group is not there. It is phenyl ring. So the correct answer is diamino diphenyl sulfone. Next question is select an antileprotic drug amongst the given. Now salicylic acid is salicylic acid and acetyl salicylic acid derivatives are working on tuberculosis. Next is dapsone and other is methyl salicylic acid. The correct answer is dapsone, which is an antileprotic drug amongst all these drugs. Next question is dapsone is used in combination with which of these pair, whether it is clofazimine and rifampicin, dopamine and rifampicin, clofazimine and ofloxacin, or whether it is all of them. The correct answer is dapsone is used in combination with clofazimine, which is a phenazine dye, and rifampicin, which is an antibiotic working in treatment of leprosy. Next question is, characteristics of Mycobacterium leprae are gram positive, acid fast, low growing, rod shaped bacteria. Gram negative, it is not there, it is gram positive. Gram positive, acid fast, low growing, rod shaped virus, virus is not there, it is bacteria. Then gram positive, acid fast, fast growing. Fast growing is not there because Mycobacterium species are slow growing. So the correct answer is, it is gram positive, acid fast, low growing, rod shaped bacteria. The next question is, major symptom of leprosy is fever, pain, reduced sensation and deformities of limb, or persistent cough, chronic. The correct answer is, it is reduced sensation and deformities of the limb. Next question is, which of these is a prodrug of dapsone? INH, pyrazinamide, acidapsone, or none of them? The correct answer is, acidapsone is the prodrug of dapsone, which is an active form of dapsone. Next question is, which of these is a non-sulfone? Non-sulfone is options are dapsone, solapsone, solasulfone, clofazimine. The correct answer is clofazimine, because dapsone, solapsone, which is also known as solasulfone, they all are sulfone derivatives. Next question is, which of these is a phenazine dye? Whether it is a dapsone, solapsone, solasulfone, or clofazimine. Now you all know that dapsone, solapsone, solasulfone are sulfone drugs, contains sulfone group and contains sulfone group. So clofazimine, the correct answer is clofazimine, which is a phenazine dye. Next question is, which of these is a natural oil having antileprotic property? Natural oil are Cholmugra oil and Hydnocarpus oil. So we'll see the options. Option is methyl salicylic acid, para-amino salicylic acid, Cholmugra oil, and clofazimine. The correct answer is, it is Cholmugra oil, which is a natural oil having antileprotic properties. Next question is, leprostatic agents are what? Leprostatic agents, whether they interfere with the proliferation of the bacterium causing leprosy. Yes, they interfere with the proliferation. Interfere with the bacterium causing TB. No. Interfere with the proliferation of virus. Virus is not there. Fungi is also not there. So the correct answer is, it interferes with the proliferation of bacterium causing leprosy. Next question is, antileprotics works by, the options are inhibition of folic acid synthesis in bacterium. Next option is inhibition of malic acid synthesis in bacterium. Next option is inhibition of malonic acid synthesis in bacterium. And last option is inhibition of folic acid synthesis in virus. Virus is not there, bacterium are there. The folic acid is the essential acid which is required for the growth of the bacterium. So by inhibiting that folic acid synthesis, antileprotics will work. They will act as a competitive inhibitors of PABA, and they will inhibit the folic acid synthesis which is required for the growth of the bacterium which is causing leprosy. Next question is, forms of leprosy are, there are total 5 forms of leprosy. So we'll see now. First is tuberculoid leprosy, lepromatous leprosy, intermediate leprosy, or all of them. The correct answer is all of them. Tuberculoid leprosy will have some milder symptoms. Lepromatous leprosy is the severe form of leprosy. Intermediate leprosy, again there are different types like borderline intermediate leprosy and all. The next question is, severe form of leprosy amongst these is, just now we discussed, the severe form of leprosy is it is lepromatous leprosy. The correct answer is lepromatous leprosy. Next question is, Novophone is the brand name of which of these drugs? Clofazimine, Solapsone, Dapsone, or all of them? The correct answer is Novophone is the brand name of Dapsone. Next question is, MDT is used in. MDT stands for multi-drug therapy. Multi-drug therapy is used in treatment of which of these disease? Whether it is leprosy, whether it is hypertension, whether it is kidney stone, or all of them. The correct answer is it is leprosy. Multi-drug therapy is used in leprosy. Next question is, reason behind MDT is. Why multi-drug therapy is required in case of leprosy? We will see the reasons now. Because resistance to a single drug, definitely if a single drug is used, then there will be a creation of the resistance. Then long course therapy. If a single drug is used, the course carries on for the longer period of the time. So long course therapy is involved with the single drug. Then slow growth of mycobacteria which are resistant to most of the antibiotics. That means mycobacteria having the characteristic feature of having a slow growth, because of which they will become resistant to most of the antibiotics. So when the multi-drug therapy is used, the combination drug therapy is used, it will be more effective in treating leprosy. And last option is all of them. So the correct answer is all of them. Next question is, Dapsone is used in dash. It is used in leprosy, pneumonia, dermatitis, or all of them. The correct answer is it is used in all of these. Dapsone is used in treatment of leprosy, even pneumonia, dermatitis. Pneumonia is also, and leprosy, all the three forms are treated by Dapsone. Next question is, antimycobacterial drug is used in dash. Antimycobacterial drug, that means anti to mycobacteria. Mycobacteria are Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Mycobacterium leprae. So antimycobacterial drug is used in dash. They are used in treatment of leprosy as well as TB. Then candidiasis, athlete's feet, all of them. The antimycobacterial drug is used in leprosy and TB, because candidiasis, athlete's foot, these all are mycosis, that is fungal infections. With this, we finish with the possible MCQs on the chapter anti-leprotic drugs. Thank you.